More than 200 people joined a demonstration this afternoon outside the headquarters of West Midlands Police in Birmingham. They were supporting the families of 3 men who were killed in the Birmingham riots last summer.
Today's protest follows the end of the trial of 8 men last week who were found not guilty of their murder. Joanne Riddle reports.
Crowds of people supporting the families of 3 men killed during last summer's riots joined this march from West Midlands Police headquarters, protesting against what they perceive as injustice. 8 men were cleared of murder last week. But soon after the crowd reached Birmingham Crown Court, some people surged towards the doors. It took Tariq Jahan, father of one of the victims, Haroon Jahan, to stop them. He spoke to us later.
You didn't go with them for them to behave in that manner. It's a few youngsters, a few hotheads. Once you stand in front of them and talk to them, I asked them, I said to them, calm down. You know, there's no need for this. This is not what I'm here for. I came in support because you came in support of me.
The protest had begun outside the police headquarters with emotional messages from relatives of the 3 men. They were my support when I'm elderly and they've been snatched away from me. Brothers Shazad Ali and Abdel Mursavir and 21-year-old Haroon Jahan died last August after being hit by a car in Winson Green in Birmingham. When the 8 men were cleared of murder at Birmingham Crown Court last week, the judge, Mr. Justice Flo, said it had been a tragic and pointless loss of 3 young lives. But he said the jury had decided that this was not a deliberate killing and that it had been a terrible accident.
I'm still feeling the same way as the day when I was holding my brother while the post was still beating on the floor. That's the same way I feel right now. That's how I feel.
Of course, we support people's right to protest, and obviously there's a perceived injustice here, and the police being the visible representation of the criminal justice system, we absolutely understand why we would be subject of that protest.
The conduct of a senior investigating officer, Anthony Tagg, is now being investigated by the Police Complaints Commission after it emerged he'd lied under oath. As the protest went on, the IPCC told us the independent investigation was likely to take several weeks. Joanne Riddle, BBC Midlands Today.
4 more cases